This week we brought you to the ends of the earth as part of a company-wide endeavor, Green is Universal. But you don't have to go to the ends of the earth to see the impact mankind is having on natural habitats around the world. As NBC's Kerry Sanders reports, all you have to do is look at the oceans.
Scientists in the middle of the ocean
360
collecting samples of the so-called Pacific garbage patch.
But we're going to continue on this transect.
An area twice the size of Texas that's become a toilet bowl of plastics. A vortex of ocean currents swirling from California to Hawaii that permanently trap just about any piece of plastic ever thrown in the water. Some of the plastics lodged in sea life. Turtles are among the many ocean animals that often choke and die when they eat those jellyfish.
Wow, what a kaleidoscope.
Plastics designed to last forever, unfortunately lasting forever.
Plastic now outweighs the plankton in the surface waters of the Pacific.
In some spots, 48 times more plastic than plankton, says researcher Charles Moore.
If you're a fish or a bird trying to determine what to eat, you've got a better chance of selecting something made out of plastic than you do real food.
The ugliest example of that plastic garbage?
We're now looking at millions and millions of particles of plastic
on the big island of Hawaii.
This is a sand dune made of plastic.
A beach you won't find in any tourist brochure.
This plastic sand is coming from all around the Pacific Rim, swirling into a vortex that eventually brings it to these shores.
The plastics industry blames the problem mostly on human behavior.
Plastics should not be in the ocean. They belong in the recycling bin.
Thousands of miles away, on the U.S. East Coast,
every piece of plastic we've ever made is still on the planet. It doesn't go away.
Where a tiny fraction of that Pacific garbage begins.
You never know what you'll find.
The oceans are connected, of course, to inland waterways. This should be a pristine river in Florida. Instead, it's disgusting. And the big surprise, what's down below?
Just this year, volunteers have fished out almost 30 tons of garbage along just 9 miles of the Santa Fe and nearby rivers. All interconnected with oceans that eventually lead to the Pacific Ocean garbage patch, a mess some experts say already may be too big to clean up. For today, Kerry Sanders, NBC News, Gilchrist County, Florida.
And if you want some tips on how to reduce your plastic use, you can go to our website at todayshow.com.